Hello dear children, this week we are going to celebrate Dussehra. We are going to create such a lovely handmade toran for this festival. Let's enjoy the activity. For this toran making activity, children, we need satin ribbon, then scissors, then some papers. I have asked you to be ready with the square 8 centimeter by 8 centimeter. It is a strip. I have taken the measurement of my door and I have taken that much strip. Then I have cut some leaves for the decoration. Now children, first we are going to make such a type of flowers for the toran. For that, it is my square paper. I have folded like this. Okay. Then again I am going to fold it in the middle. Fold it in the middle. Okay. Then you can draw U shape over here, or you can keep your finger like this and cut it. Okay. So I am going to cut it. If you want, you can give a little bit deep cut. Okay children, and then we are going to open it and we are going to give a little cut over here where we are going to open it like this, and here also from this side, even from this side. Okay, after completing children, we are going to give a fold like this. Why we are giving a fold? Because we are going to make a little bit 3D flower of it like this. I am going to fold it. Okay, once again I will show you the same flower children. First we have taken square paper, fold it in the middle, fold it in the middle, again fold it in the middle, then give a cut in a C shape, then open it. Where we are folding, there we are going to give a little bit deep cut. Now we are going to open it and we are going to give a fold to this petals to make a 3D. Okay, like this I have made some flowers. And in this portion you can decorate it with any type of beads, or you can use any other thing also. I am pasting this flower, punching flower inside. Like this I will be ready with my all flowers. After this children, it is approximately 10 centimeter in a width, and the length I have told you, it is a door length. Okay, then first we are going to fold it like this. Okay, because when we are folding, we are getting double layer, and that time the strength will be increase of this toran. I am going to take a satin ribbon, see the measurement, leave little more satin ribbon from here to hang. Like this I am going to stick this satin ribbon inside. After completing this much children, we are going to stick flowers like this. I am taking first this red flower and then I am going to stick this golden inside. If you want, you can add any other sequence also. Now children, see, after the leaves we are going to give a fold to it, and it will give us a lovely mango leaf effect. So after folding, we can stick it like this over here. Okay, so I want to make all the leaves and I want to stick it over here. Now once again I will show you how to make a mango leaf. First I have taken the cutout of the leaf, then I have folded in the middle, Then from this end I have started to do the fan fold. Children, you have to do the fan fold properly, then press it, then open it, so you will get such a lovely mango leaf effect, and then you can stick it over here. After completing, our lovely toran is ready.